Whether RV adventuring, camping, constructing, or just an ordinary person looking for backup during power outages, a 50-amp generator is your best bet to keep all of your must-have appliances and equipment running. The indispensable unit delivers reliable electricity where public utility goes down and in areas that do not have reliable electricity. While considering your specific needs, keep in mind these three main aspects of identifying the best possible fit for your needs in a 50-amp generator. Power output starting and running watts. Fuel efficiency. Noise level. Number 1. Duramax XP 12000 EH generators. Duramax XP 12000 EH delivers a powerful and versatile solution for anyone in need of a dependable 50-amp generator. Built for durability, this model thrives in both residential and commercial environments. Featuring dual-fuel capability, it allows users to alternate between gasoline and propane, providing flexibility in locations where fuel supply may be inconsistent due to emergencies or fluctuating availability. The generator stands out with its impressive 12,000-watt starting capacity and a steady 9,500-watt running output, offering the power needed for high-demand tools and appliances. The electric start feature makes it even easier to operate, especially in emergency situations. Thanks to Duramax's MX2 technology, users can draw maximum power from each of the 120-volt outlets independently, making it ideal for powering both heavy-duty equipment and essential household items when the power goes out. Built for reliability in challenging environments, this generator combines a durable metal frame with intelligent safety features. Its design incorporates a CO sensor and automatic low-oil shutdown, minimizing risks and safeguarding both the user and the machine. Durability aside, its portability shines with the inclusion of solid-fill tires and a collapsible handle, making it easy to maneuver across demanding terrains. Number 2. Westinghouse Dual-Fuel Portable Generator. Westinghouse has designed a dual-fuel portable generator that delivers reliability and adaptability for any power need. With its ability to run on either gasoline or propane, it ensures you're never caught off guard by fuel shortages or price hikes. Offering an impressive starting power of 12,500 watts on gasoline, this generator is capable of powering demanding appliances, making it ideal for residential or emergency use. Designed with user convenience and safety in mind, this generator comes loaded with features to deliver dependable performance. GFCI outlets, a digital hour meter, and automatic low-oil shutdown ensure safe and efficient operation, safeguarding both the generator and connected electronics. Its robust design allows it to run for up to 12 hours on a 6.6-gallon fuel tank at 50% load, making it ideal for prolonged power outages. For added ease, the electric start mechanism, paired with a remote start key fob, provides effortless control even from a distance. With a sturdy cast iron sleeve protecting its 457 cubic centimeters 4-stroke OHV engine, this generator is built for the long haul. Whether you use it occasionally during blackouts or regularly on job sites, its robust design ensures consistent performance. Its portability is enhanced by a high-leverage handle and durable never-flat tires, allowing for seamless movement between locations. From powering homes to outdoor adventures, it offers the reliable energy you can count on. Number 3. AI Power SUA 12000E Portable Generator. AI Power 50-amp generators. AI Power designs the SUA 12000E portable generator as a dependable solution for emergencies and tough jobs. Delivering 12,000 starting watts and 9,000 running watts, this generator is built to handle demanding tasks, from powering home essentials during outages to operating high-performance tools at job sites. Its versatility ensures consistent energy, whether tackling a blackout or providing power in remote areas. Equipped with a substantial 459 cubic centimeters OHV engine, the SUA 12000E ensures consistent and reliable power delivery. The generous 7-gallon fuel tank extends the operational times, offering up to 9 hours of runtime at 50% load, which is ideal for prolonged use during extended power outages or long working hours. This setup minimizes refueling interruptions, enhancing productivity and convenience. The electric start feature simplifies the operation, allowing for quick and effortless startups, which is particularly beneficial in urgent situations. The generator is not just about raw power, it also focuses on user convenience and safety. The inclusion of multiple outlets, including 120/240V options and a dedicated 50A plug, makes it highly adaptable to various electrical needs. Safety features like the GFCI protection and low-oil automatic shutdown ensure the unit operates within safe parameters, protecting both the generator and connected devices from potential damage. Number 4. Avolt Dual Fuel Portable Inverter Generator. Avolt 50-amp generators AI Power SUA 12000E, a powerful portable generator designed for a wide range of applications. Boasting 12,000 starting watts and 9,000 running watts, this generator handles demanding loads, from home appliances during emergencies to heavy equipment on job sites. Its adaptability makes it an essential tool for navigating power outages or operating in remote areas, ensuring uninterrupted power when required. Featuring eco-friendly operation, the Avolt offers cleaner power for sensitive electronics like laptops and smartphones, thanks to its inverter technology. This ensures safer usage and contributes to the generator's overall fuel efficiency, allowing for more than 10 hours of runtime at 25% load per tank. The unit's quiet performance, producing only 62 dBA from 23 feet, further enhances its appeal, making it an ideal choice for campgrounds or late-night use where minimal noise is important. With exceptional power output and a user-friendly interface, this generator stands out in any setting. It features a multifunction control panel with a 5-in-1 LCD display, providing real-time data on everything from fuel consumption to voltage output. The generator's design includes a telescopic rod and never flat wheels for maximum portability. Whether you're responding to a power outage or gearing up for an outdoor adventure, this generator ensures reliable, hassle-free power. Number 5. Genmax Portable Generator. Genmax Portable Generator. Genmax delivers a powerful and versatile portable generator, perfect for a wide range of uses. Whether you need reliable power for home emergencies or to energize your camping and tailgating equipment, this unit has you covered. With its dual fuel capability, it can provide 7,250 starting watts on gasoline or 6,000 watts when running on propane, ensuring flexibility and dependability for any situation. With an intuitive control panel and digital display, this generator ensures you can monitor running hours, load level, and fuel status with ease. This real-time information is crucial when managing generator use during prolonged power outages or extended outdoor activities. The ability to effortlessly switch between gasoline and propane enhances its versatility, making it an ideal choice for users who value performance and adaptability in various environments. In terms of design and functionality, the generator is built with user-friendliness in mind. Its portable nature is complemented by an electric start system, which simplifies the startup process. A mere push of a button is all it takes to get it running. The generator's CO detect feature, which automatically shuts down the unit at unsafe carbon monoxide levels, is a standout safety feature that ensures peace of mind during operation.